Quizzes.Next has a variety of new types of questions. The one that we're going to look at right now is called the HotSpot question. This one is designed for you to be able to put an image or a set of text that you've copied as an image into the question and have students click on the area to show you that they know what or where something is. So this is great for diagrams or maps. So here you can have a question title if you'd like. I'm just going to put US map. This is optional, you don't have to have it. Now I'm going to put the question stem, find Oklahoma. And then you can either drag and drop or browse. So because this is a picture I just found, I can drop it right here. If it's something that you've had on your computer and you need to find it, you would go to browse. Now, one thing I want to caution you about is you need to make sure that this is a large enough image. If you find a really tiny image, it's very difficult for you to go through and do this. So you've got a couple options for the shapes. So the default is a square. So if you're doing something like Wyoming, a square works pretty well. A circle works, say, if you have a diagram of a cell and you are trying to find that nucleus or the mitochondria. Or perhaps you've got Hawaii and you want kids to click on that general area. But then you have the polygon, and this is great for irregular shapes. So for example, I've got Oklahoma, which I'm just going to come and I'm going to click around. It's not perfect, but if we tell kids to click in the center, you'll notice I just kind of kept clicking around. I kind of had to restart, but you can make it work. So it's great for irregular shapes, which works for most all of our states. Very few of them approach any kind of perfect size of a circle or a square. So we can go through, we do that, and then the kids will just need to click somewhere within Oklahoma and it will count it correct. If they don't, they'll have kind of a blue bullseye elsewhere on the map that lets you see what are they confusing it with.